Good morning, children. Children, now take your rhymes and songs book. Book number 6. Rhymes and songs. Book number 6. Open page number 40. 4040. Today you will learn a new rhyme. Incy Wincy Spider. Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And Incy Wincy Spider went up the spout again. Once again we will repeat, okay? Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And Incy Wincy Spider went up the spout again. So children, this rhyme is telling about spider. Okay, the spider, this is the spider. It tried to climb up the water spout. This is called water spout. Okay, so what happened? Down came the rain. Okay, because of rain, again the spider came out along with the water. So afterwards what happened? The sun came out. So all the rain was dried up. So slowly what spider did? Incy Wincy, again it climbed the water spout. Okay. So now in this you should also check the sight words. Okay. Up, U-P up, T-H-E the, D-O-W-N down, C-A-M-E came, O-U-T out, W-E-N-T went. Okay, read the sight words and circle in the rhyme. Okay children. Now next, take your general awareness book. General awareness book. Open page number 63. Page number 63. Birds, insects or fish. Here you can see few animals. Okay, they are birds, insects and fish. Okay, so you have to write B if it is a bird in the box here. You have to write I if it is insect in the box. If it is fish, you have to write F. Okay, so come on, let us start. What is this? Eagle. Very good. Eagle is a bird, insect or fish? Bird. So if it is a bird, you will write B. Okay. Now what is this? Fish. Very good. If it is fish, F. Very good. So we'll write F here. Now next, what is this? Butterfly. Yes. So butterfly is called as insect. It is a kind of insect. Okay. So for butterfly, you should write I-E. Okay. Now next, what is this? Grasshopper. Very good. So grasshopper is also a kind of insect. Okay children. So what you will write if it is an insect? S-P-I-E. Oh, what is this? Sparrow. Yes, and sparrow is a bird. Very good. So if it is a bird, you should write B. Now, what is this? Seahorse. Come on, repeat after me. Seahorse. Seahorse is a kind of fish. It is water animal. Okay, it is aquatic animal. So, if it is a kind of fish, you will write F. Okay, this is seahorse. Okay, children. Now next, this is ostrich. Ostrich is a bird. Very good. So, you should write B. Now, what is this? Housefly. Housefly. Housefly is also a kind of insect. Okay? So, you will write I. Now, the next one is mosquito. So, children, mosquito also is a kind of insect. Okay? This is also insect. So, this is how you have to write B for birds, F for fish, and I for insects. Okay? So, what all are insects here? Butterfly, grasshopper, housefly, mosquito. They are called insects. Okay, children? Next, take your second book of phonics, book number 2. My second book of phonics, book number 2. Open page number 19, 19. Page number 19. So children, today you will learn about blends. Okay? Blends means adding two things. Okay? Adding two letters, sounds. Now here, today you are learning about blending of B and L. Okay? So, if you write B, what is the sound of B? B. Very good. And I am writing L. What is the sound of L? L. Okay? L. B. L. So, bl. This is called blending. Together, I am telling the sound of two letters. Okay? Bl. I am not telling separately. I am blending. I am mixing it. Okay? Bl. How you should pronounce? Bl. Come on, repeat after me. BL. Whenever you see BL, what you should tell? Bl. Repeat after me. Bl. Bl. Again. Bl. Very good. So today we will read few words which are beginning with bl. Okay? So the two sounds, okay, say the sound of B and the sound of L together you call bl. Now, blossom. You have to repeat the words after me, children. Blossom. Blossom. Block. Block. Did you observe how I am repeating? Bl. Block. Blade. 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 Blunt. 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 Blink. 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 Bloom. bloom, bloom. Black, black, black. Blush, blush, blush. Blue, blue. Blood, blood, blood. Blanket, blanket, blanket. So whenever you are reading these words, beginning what you are reading? Bl. For all the letters it is B and L. So there are two letters, but we will pronounce only one sound. That sound is bla. Okay, you can see two letters, but the sound is bla, bla. Okay, children, so please practice reading all these words. Now take your numeracy skills book. Numeracy skills book. Open page number 69. Page number 69. 69. So here in this picture, numbers are given that are beginning from 10. Okay, you have to begin from 10 and join the numerals. Okay, children, so let us start now. Yes, see here, beginning number 10. Okay, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Okay. Oh, 27 is here. So from here to here, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Yes, I did it. So you should also join the dots like this and please color it. Okay, children? Children, now take your Hindi textbook. Hindi textbook. Today we will do oral revision. Okay, children? See, you already learned and wrote exams till aha. Swar finished. Okay. Vyanjan also we completed from K to Nya. So today we will revise these letters once. Okay. Now repeat after me. K, K, G, Gh, Ng, K, Kh, G, Gh, Ng, Ch, Ch, j, jh, nya, ch, ch, j, jh, nya. So practice reading all these letters and revise once again. Open page number 10. Page number 10. Picture reading. Kalam, kalam, kamal, kamal, kabootar, kabootar, कछुआ, कछुआ. Next, ख. Okay? खजूर, खरबूजा, खच्चर, खरगोश. Now, next page. Page number 11. Page number 11. G. गदा, गमला, गणेश जी. घ. घर, घट, घड़ी, ang. This letter is called ang. Okay. Next, page number 12. Picture reading of cha. Charkha, chamcha, charan, chana. Next, letter ch. छतरी, छड़ी, छलनी, छग. Next page. ज. जड़, जहाज, जनता. झ. झंडा, झरना, झश, nya. Okay, children. So please do picture reading also of all these letters. Revise once. Okay. Sight words. Children, you have to daily practice the previous sight words and start this as second term sight words. Okay. So previously we have done 52 sight words. So daily practice those letters, and from today onwards you have to prepare another chart for term 2. Okay. So today's 2 new sight words. Please repeat after me. T-H-E-N, then. T-H-E-N, then. T-H-A-N, than. T-H-A-N, than. Here it is E-N, so you are telling then. N. Okay, then. Here, than, an, than. Okay, children. So please practice these 2 sight words. Bye, children. Take care.